Alright guys, now I'm here in the, what do you call the, you see the building of New York, and this part here is actually New Jersey. Today is, you see around like snow everywhere. It's kind of cold today. I guess like -5 degrees right now. And you can see like around here there are a lot of like restaurant and stuff. So for example, you know, like you're hungry, you can just go directly to the restaurant and stuff here. Well, I'm walking right now. I'm going over there. Want to see the Liberty statue. This is actually my first time go to this place, and then the first time I'm going to see the Liberty statue.